Hi, and welcome to Teach Like Bianca. This is my 3-month anniversary, would you say, of Teachers Pay Teachers. I guess it's really my 4-month because I started in August 1st, and I already did my August 1st to September 1st, my first month earnings. And now I'm going to do my September to December. So it's really 4 months overall, but these are the next 3 months, and how much I made, what products I put up, and what those products were, and kind of what worked during this time. So let's go ahead and get started. In my 3 months, my first month of Teachers Pay Teachers, I'll link that video down below. I made a little bit over $24 in my very first month. I did upgrade to the premium seller account, which I kind of felt, I don't even know what the difference is right now, but there's probably a difference somewhere. But I upgraded to that, I think my first week after being a seller, and I think I sold only like 2 items, and then I upgraded. But I am a premium seller, so those earnings reflect a premium seller's account. And then from August to September, after my first month, my September to December amount I made, and I'm looking down here because this is where my notes are, I made $47.42. So I'm going to tell you what worked and what didn't work. I didn't average a $24 a month sell, I guess you can say, for each month. Go figure. But I kind of didn't really post a lot of products. I only posted 3 products from September to December. And that's because I was busy building a membership during that same time. I built a teacher membership called Teacher Life Resource Club, where I put all my resources from Teachers Pay Teachers into the membership, and I also do a variety of professional development videos, and there's a whole bunch of other stuff. If you want to learn more about it, I'll link it down below. So I built that during my September to November time. I actually launched it Black Friday. So I didn't post a lot of things on Teachers Pay Teachers because of that. Out of those 3 products, what really did work for me, I felt, was seasonal products. And I'm going to explain what I mean by seasonal products, because October we had Halloween, and then November we had Veterans Day. But what snuck in there for us in the United States is our election day. And so I catered those 3 products to those 3 seasons and those types of holidays during that time. So my 3 products were Halloween background slides, and I added my Halloween background slides in the middle of September. So I wanted to give it enough time so people can buy for Halloween. But I only sold 1. Halloween background slides. And Halloween background slides are just for your PowerPoint or Google Slides. You can use them for writing prompts or other lessons. There's a variety of things that you can use them for. And then I created the If I Were the President handout. It was like a worksheet. It was either digital, it was printable or editable, which I make all of my resources, or I try to if I can. And I sold 13 of those resources, 13 of the If I Were the President handout. So that was a really hot item, and I did not post that early in October. I posted it like at the end of October for the presidential election, which was like November 2nd or November 3rd. It was the beginning of November. So it only was on Teachers Pay Teachers for a short amount of time, but it was the one that I had the most sales in, 13 sold. So. And then the next one was Interview a Veteran. And I didn't even post the Interview a Veteran until after the presidential election. For some reason, I didn't post it up, but I sold 4 of those items. So I sold more of those, and I sold more of the Interview a Veteran handout than I did of the Halloween background slides, with also even less time of being on Teachers Pay Teachers before it starts selling. So the only thing that I can account for is that they're just seasonal. The Halloween background slides were just slides. They had more creation for a teacher to do on their part, so that probably went into it. I try to make most of my things my items, my resources that are just print and go, no planning involved. But I also make them editable, so if a teacher wants to edit some parts in there, that they can. Overall total from August 1st to December that we're in the middle of December right now, is I have a total of 13 products. And out of those 13 products, there's really 3 or 4 that are actually just really high sellers or repeated sellers. And then I have 99 followers. I don't know if this is high or low. I'm trying to be really transparent if you're just starting out your Teachers Pay Teacher store, but I can guarantee what does work is seasonal products. However, I did post, I think I added 3 more products here in December that I will be talking about in my video that is going to be in March on my next 3 months, that were seasonal Christmas holiday items, which I made would you rather slides that are Christmas products. Our Christmas edition is what I called it. And then I also added some holidays around the world slides. So, but I haven't made any sales yet. So there could be coming, but I haven't made any sales and school's already out. We're actually in the middle of winter break right now. So I probably needed to get those out early. I want to say before the Black Friday holiday, when people buy a lot, and before there's actually Teachers Pay Teacher sales, because sometimes those Teachers Pay Teacher sales garner a lot of traffic and get more teachers to come in and buy. So overall, I made from August to December 1st, I made a total of $96.20. And after Teachers Pay Teachers takes their cut, which remember I'm a premium seller, is $71.81. Now, I don't know if that's good or bad. I'm going to keep plugging along. I feel like 13 products isn't a lot of products, but I also haven't been really promoting products like on Pinterest. And I know the Pinterest algorithm has changed, so it's not as easy as it used to be to get traffic to either your website or maybe even your Teachers Pay Teacher store. But I haven't even really been promoting even to my subscribers or on my website at all, which I'm going to start trying to do hopefully after the new year of 2021. So if you're thinking about starting a Teachers Pay Teachers account, I would still, give it a shot and always focus on what the seasons are coming up. So for January, and I do this even for my membership, January we have Martin Luther King Day. People talk about, New Year's resolutions, making goals, and even going into our 100th day of school. I know that's really big in the elementary school. And then going forward for February, we have Black History Month and Valentine's Day and President's Day. So those are the things to start looking forward and start making your products and your resources going towards coming up for the next couple months. So that is where I'm at as of today, middle of December here. And I hope to be a little bit more having an higher monthly average that I started in my first month, which was $24. I hope to at least meet that $24 every month going forward or higher. So we'll see how things go. But thank you for watching, and hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.